Now I'm going to give you a simple tip on how to transform your day eyeshadow into a sultry night look in less than 30 seconds. So here's what you got to do. Just get a nice black eyeshadow and get your flat brush, and what we want to do is take it up right under the lash line, and because the brush is flat, as you can see, it gets applied really easily, and I just want you to blend it out just along the bottom of that. Now by adding this black eyeshadow, you're just going to add more depth to your eye for nighttime. And close your eyes for me. Then I want you to just get the same shadow and pop a little bit more of the black just in that area. Open for me. And as you can see, it's already turned her eyes into a much sultry look. So I'm just going to do the same on this side. Right under, near the lash line, using the brush. The brush is nice and flat, so you want to get up there and close for me. And just applying it over. Open for me. And there it is, a beautiful sultry look.